Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dual messenger on your Android or Samsung phone. So do a swipe up, open up settings here on your phone and scroll down to advanced features, tap on that. Now from here scroll down and you should see dual messenger. So you want to tap on that, and from here you will have the different applications that you can use for dual messenger. For example, WhatsApp, Facebook, or even just the Facebook Messenger as well. So you can simply toggle whichever one you want on, and this will allow you to install this. As you see here, it says you'll be able to sign in another WhatsApp account in the second copy of the app, right? So you can easily go ahead and install more than one of these apps so that you can install, or let's say add a separate account. You can do that for Messenger, as you can see there. You can do that for Facebook. You can also do it for WhatsApp or any other application that you can use for messages. Then you can do that. So very easy, guys.